Okay, welcome to the nVision video setup tutorial. We're going to jump right into it. So you're going to hit the nVision button and go to panel, and then you're going to go to menu and settings. Default password is 1970, and you're going to hit video. This is the fan room, which is already set up, so we're going to go to another room that's not been set up, which is the master bed. So you're going to go to select device in the upper left. We're going to start off with the TV. We're going to choose a Samsung TV. We're going to put that in IR port A. That's all the configuration needed for the TV. Or if you want to use a COM port, you can go all the way up to COM A, B, or C, and it will do serial commands. IP commands are kind of being worked on, so they will have IP options soon. So you can also do custom RS-232 commands. Select device, choose a TV, choose custom TV, go to your COM port, COM A, then go back out, go to menu on the panel with ports and devices, TV RS-232, and then you would just come here and you could, if it was P on was the command with and you got all your characters here, exclamation point, and you got the CR button, which is carriage return, right next to the space bar. So you do have that also. Well, P off, and we'll put this with the carriage return and an input. You could do input, or like if it was, I don't know, HDMI 1 with a carriage return. And it's as simple as that. We're going to go next to source, and we're going to choose DirecTV. We're going to put this in IR port B. This audio input to the left of it, that is for if you have the audio plugged into Crestron audio system or any audio system. Can work with more than just Crestron, but that's the audio input that this cable box is plugged into. You're going to choose your video switcher input, your TV input rather, and we're going to choose the video switcher input right here. That is the input for the video switcher that this is going to if you're using a video switcher. nVision will work with Crestron, all Crestron video switchers, Matrix, DM, and it'll work with Atlona, Binary, Xtron, pretty much all of them. And if it doesn't work with one, it's easy to add it permanently into the system or through the driver program on your own, or we can do that. Next you have output here. This output here is if you're using the speakers from the TV again, from a Crestron system, you want to put this, obviously, the master bed, you're going to choose the master bed audio zone. If the sound is coming through a TV, then you would just put this back to TV speakers. If you are using a receiver, then you would just come start to configure the receiver and automatically change that audio output. And we're going to do go to COM A, and we're going to choose an Integra receiver. And the receiver input we're going to use as DTV. So that's the first source. We're going to set one more source up. I'll just choose a Blu-ray, Samsung Blu-ray. So this one's kind of has some settings already. So IR port C, your audio input that is plugged into the video switcher input is plugged into. HDMI input, that's usually going to be the same, and the receiver input right here. These other three, the receiver and the COM port and the receiver port, those all are universal, and you will not need to touch those again. Also, we have the ability, if you want to add an Apple TV, you can set the port. Currently, we only support IR, but we are getting ready to do IP. And to do IP, basically you would just hit this little globe in the middle, and net A would basically be IP. And for an example here, we're going to show you how easy nVision is. Let's just say, for example, your client just decided to change the whole house over from DirecTV to Verizon. All you would need to do is come here and go to DirecTV, choose DirecTV, and then choose Verizon. And after that, everything is switched on all interfaces and everywhere to Verizon. There's no need to load anything. And so if you had to change a couple of video rooms, like say 8 video rooms, the whole house to all from DirecTV to Verizon, it would take you about 30 seconds to change the whole house over. All icons, all buttons, everything changes over in about 30 seconds. That's the video tutorial, and thank you guys. See you in the next one.